So we'll be going to our video aspect. Then we'll be using InShot again to edit this video. You click on InShot. Then you click on video. Then you create a new video. Then you can go to your recent to see, but my recent was already at the top. I want to use this background. I'll pick this background and click OK. Then I can enlarge my to like 30 minutes or 28. Let me use 25 minutes. Okay. Let me use 25 minutes. Okay, I want to use 25 minutes for this. So this is our background. Then we'll now go and be bringing our music one after the other. You go to music. Then if you wanted to extract the voice from one video, then you can click on extract from audio from video. But I have downloaded the content already, then I want to use it from my gallery. Then I'll go to my music. Then you can see the Bismillah, the opening. I name it with opening. Then you click the opening. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Use. So this is the Bismillah. Then after that, let's go and bring you go to music again. You go to my music, then Asri 1. You click it. Then you go to the last. Check it if the thing was joined. Let's just stick to each other. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So it stop here. Then you go to music again. My music, Afsur 2. Then you place it, you adjust it, you let it to touch each other, each head. So let's listen to it again. So we're going to be the last aspect. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. You let it to stick to each other. Then okay. So you now adjust your background to the exact voice to be in the same place with our voice. So this is our background. Then after that, we now go and be copying our text. So I noticed that I haven't copied Bismillah. Then let me just go back to my Quran and go back to Surah Al-Fatiha to copy the Bismillah. Fatiha, then Bismillah. You just come to this 3 dot, copy, and go back to your note. You go and paste it there. Okay. You paste it there. So Bismillah Rahman. Now go back. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we now want to Bismillah. We want to place the Bismillah Rahman inside our voice. You now go back to text. You now see text plus. You click on the text plus. Then you now go and copy your Bismillah. Bismillah Rahman. You copy. You can paste it inside this box. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Can you see? You want to change the color to meet the color we are using here. So if you want to pick the color, you can use this pencil this thing to take the color. Then you want to pick this color. Can you see? You now click OK for the color. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then I want to change the font of the color. I'll now go back to edit. I'll now go back to my font. I'll now go, let me use this. Let me Amari Zari. Let me use Amari. Let me use this. Then I will not take it to the top. I'll not take it to the top. Then I'll give it OK. Now let me now check the voice.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.